so far and so strong. Like there was waves. There was a lot of waves. Yeah, yesterday it was all flat, remember?
Mm-hmm.
And today in the morning it was
In Tap would have this better plan than Western Galilee. I won't, but okay. Keep going. It doesn't seem like it. Oh my god, I just tripped. That was embarrassing.
More AstroTurf. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna get one of those. Should we do it ourselves? Because I think there's a little. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. I mean, we're splitting it. Want to try it?
Don't touch plants, guys. Could be venomous.
Poisonous.
I haven't tried lava before. Lava fruit. I like the same thing he's having.
But you need to show this. We just had a little breakfast snack 2 seconds ago. Now we're here. I'm glad we had a little breakfast snack. I'm glad we're here. Me too. But I hope it takes part because I have to here. Do you want one of these?
Oh, I forgot the name. I want to say Kuwari, maybe. Invasion in 2012 in New York. No one's supposed to be like that. Shatari, that's what it was. I was expecting something like that. Well, I don't really do it. From Mexico. It's good. It's water. It's pretty cheap. It tastes just like it.
Okay.
It's really crazy.
Come on, go get in frame. Wait, my bag.
I got it.
Okay, guys. We're just getting it.
Perfect. Is it good?
This one?
Yeah. Well, I saw. I had some in Atlanta and they spent a lot of time. Great.
Okay. I dig it.
Is it better?
Oh, I dig it.
Is it better?
I dig the mayo. Is this like a peanut sauce?
I'll wait for you to try. I think so. What do you think? Better?
I like both of them.
Really? Let me try.
I feel like a makeup guru who's like, these things are so.
It's so heavy.
Look at us. I just have you in the back of the video going, oh, I'm gonna douse
Oh,
this.
this one.
Which one do you like better?
I would try the other one.
I'm gonna try them together and see what I think.
Oh, that's good.
They really love their fake hats.
Very nice. He looked scary.
That was really yummy.
Look at this Homeland Secret. What are you talking about?
But yes, continue about your monkeys.
Oh yeah, so then word by word, the chances that a monkey rides everything exactly the way Shakespeare would. Any of his like. Well, literally, like,
There we go, Western Galilee. Hello.
hello, mate.
I can do one accent.
That was like
and it's the one
Australian.
I'm stuck with.
Oh, is that what? That's cool.
Right? Doggy poop. Watch out, don't step in the...
That's gross. No way. You don't let us in just like that.
Well, I think we say Professor Offer's name.
Yeah, it was a little. It was very long. Yeah, it was.
Hey vlog, Zafa saved us from having to go through the security at the school. She just walked up and was like, oh, hey guys. Oh, don't worry, they're with me. They're just silly old Americans. And then we got through without having to get like checked and stuff. This is a lecture room?
I'm really nervous.
I'm so scared.
Really
I'm
nervous.
so scared.
Imagine
I'm
if there's
so
actual
scared.
students
I'm
here.
so scared.
Sort of my research, I read a lot of testimonies about.
He had a lot of chances to leave the ghetto, and he chose to stay with the children, and I thought that was really significant. So I've sort of been the research I've been focusing on, or I sort of started to shift to focus more on children.
Understood from him that the question is not whether the kids are appreciative and they say thank you all day, or whether
This experience, like sort of the like coming to God moment type thing, literally how the neurons fire differently after the Holocaust, and it all shifts. Largely, at least, because of how the self acts and how the self is presented through theology. So I was focusing on the Warsaw Ghetto first, but then I was told that it was very broad, so I had to shorten it a little bit. So we're still working on different ones that I'm trying to find. So basically, it's just the Jewish identity and how that was shaped through a series of specific events that happened in those ghettos. Because you have all these
Doctors, medical.
facility people that
to show that there is one to
He's a very, apart from being a very committed national Jew, he's a very
also in English the diary of Dr. Mordechai Lenski, which also brings you a lot of information about the idea of identity and the influence, how to continue to serve the illnesses in the ghetto.
But I was actually asking, because there was one thing you said.
I wanted to get deeper into the medical realities that the children faced during their time in the Holocaust, and I narrowed my research a little bit further to the Warsaw Ghetto specifically. There is very important testimony that I think it will help you very much. Is one of the physicians that worked in the Gerson Bauman Hospital children in the ghetto.
It's actually one of the things Korchak does in the ghetto is running a play with the children about death. It's the playwright is Indian, and they're doing a performance of this play, which is actually about someone preparing for his death.
no, but you
Without
have
the
to
tall
know
buildings, we
Israel
could
has
see this,
a
yeah.
very, very long way of
That's an avocado plantation.
all over
Avocados.
moreover we have a long
Yafo
sea.
and no.
So north is if we would have seen where the clouds are, that's the Lebanese border. It's about 30 kilometers from here, and 6 kilometers from where I live. We have the college is here for many years. This was built a few years ago. This is like the flagship of the college, because the Council of Higher Education said we should teach management.
You have something and you stand chuppah. So you say what you learned in the university, chupologia, How to meet
with
your
your spouse.
That is
Also because Israel is very young. Like, we have a lot of
Today
married
it's
students.
not so like this.
Still,
Still
really, if you compare to the States, Israel is very young. To the Europe, certainly.
Student union.
the PSU.
So we have the student union, the real student body sitting here, like the student government, cafeteria. We have a small synagogue in the corner, and libraries on the top floors, and some classes.
This is a beautiful building. I really like it.
But it's not truth. It's not so. Like
there is branches, the army there.
These are all the buildings?
It's only one category, the army. Yeah. There's the Air Force over there, but it's basically one big.
You mean it was a soldier?
you see, the college makes a lot of effort of being a nice place to. Woods College once.
This place was donated by the Swedish Labor Union.
This is all Sweden buildings.
College is providing us lunch. Armando and I split these mini quiches. Well, Sammy, some. Armando keeps saying he found a famous TikToker.
This is not the question now. The question
Everyone
is what
told
happened?
her.
What happened
Yes.
to her?
And what about the twin? Maybe 14 is that they might think of getting in there. You know, but they have the Children's Museum, which is very good. And we think of it, us Israelis think of it as very, very low key. Think of it as very low key, very mild in the sense of Holocaust imagery and etc. Our American friends are shocked when they go in. They say, this is really strong. I will not bring my child into this place. So it turns out that there are different levels of shock when you.
Absolutely.
The place has no violence, teaching assistance. A lot of money in the college comes into mentoring and tutoring of armed students. This is ghetto fighters. That's an aqueduct. It brings water in.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
This is the water mains of Akko. It was built by some Turkish Sultan, Mamluk Sultan. It starts where
Okay, so we stopped by some random, like, street vendor dude. And we were like not gonna get anything, and I was like, I'm just gonna get these because they look cool. Where'd I put my phone? I think I left it upstairs. Well, if I left it upstairs, let me just. Kitchen. Bathroom. So I was sitting back down to check, to eat this up, and the group chat was like, Kiana, is your stuff there? I'm like, don't worry, guys, my stuff is here. Okay. Yeah, so literally, what I saw was like, I have to try like some. I haven't tried like a little snack yet. I've had like meal. And I was like, okay, this thing, because everything in there was like shit I've seen. And I was like, how am I doing that? And this was the only thing without a label. It's probably bad. Actually, no, it's probably good, but.
This is really just like the jelly, or like the glutinous rice balls, if you know what I'm talking about. And no nuts in it. That's good. Would I get it again? Like if someone gave it to me, I would eat it. But I'm not buying it again. I think my mom would like these.
But yeah, so we went to Western Galilee, which is very beautiful, and I was very happy to meet like our other classmates who we've only seen on Zoom. It was very nice, and they were so welcoming. They were really nice. Netta, his grandma made cookies for us. That was so nice. And Zafa, she's helping me out with my research, which is, I do really like my topic, which is the public health system in the Vilna ghetto created by the Jewish people in the ghetto, which is really impressive and really, so anyways. And then we sat forever at the archives where they had literally nothing. Like, all of them will agree to.
Actually, I like that.
The ice turned it like white.
Yeah, it's happened with a lot of nice drink.
That's cool.
Should we move it and see what happens?
Adventure.
Wow, you're really good at stirring.
Because we were heading for the check to come out. Yeah, this time we don't wait for the check out. You sign them like, you sign them something or just yeah, you just gesture to okay. And then one more thing. Do you tip? Yeah, you can. It's not including for the voting if you don't want to, yeah, but it's customary. Like how much you think? Like 12%, 15%, 20%? Between 10 to 12%. Is it 12? 10 to 12, something like that. You're going to 20? My parents usually pay 10%. If you were rich, would you do 20? I was rich, I do a lot of things. If I was rich, I would do actually, I don't know. I cannot speak because I'm not rich. But I give her, actually, I don't remember. See, let me sign it.
It's hard.
There's a pit. He literally just told you there was a pit in there.
I'm sorry.
You need more sleep.
I do need some sleep.
Now that of wording, this is even in Israel, not many people like olives. So, and that's the local. So, just take a small bite and
Okay.
I don't know how I feel about that.
I don't hate it, but I don't love
It's
it.
just very bitter.
It's like that coffee that we had.
no, it's not like the bitterness of coffee. It's something else.
It's its own breed. Try it.
I really
Take a little bite.
I really don't want to.
You're gonna get pneumonia.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. It is. It's
You mean if
bitter.
it was inside a martini, it would be better.
I'm gonna try again. I'm going at it again. Maybe the second time.
Okay, you got this.
I know you're just looking at yourself.
You know me so well.
That's why I turned on the camera, because it was turned off for a second and I was like,
No, I knew what it would look like.
okay.
You like? You like? You like? Alright, baby. Wait, I'm gonna take a picture of this because it looks busted.
I have to vlog it.
I really detest taking pictures of my food,
But
I
here we
don't.
are.
If we don't, then how will we know we ate it?
how will we know we? Yeah.
We can definitely get a picture of all of us in it. Wait, hang on.
Yeah, we could do it. Gina has long arms.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you so much, sir.
Made a cameo appearance.
Hey vlog, I decided to do a voiceover and speed this clip up because Netta was telling us about this really cool prison break that this statue is like memorializing, but we talked about it for a really long time and I didn't think you guys wanted to hear all that. So yeah.
The photography and several Lehi and Etzel combatants that were killed, and and several. It's a big story. I don't remember.
They have a whole pillow on the beach.
That's gonna be sandy.
Maybe it's their beach pillow.
Beach pillow.
Hey vlog. Out here with Netta, Parker, Armanda.
Hi.
We're just taking a stroll down the old city. Clickbait. No, that's not clickbait. We're actually taking a stroll around the old city.
Oh no.
Annie.
Where is the bathroom? I think.
Okay, it's three, 4 words. Where is Efo?
Efo?
Efo.
Where?
Efo, it's where the bathroom is Hashotim.
Whoa. Ashutim.
Yeah.
Ashutim.
Hashe. Gu.
Tim.
Team.
Hashebutim.
Hashegutim.
What was the first one?
Efo.
Eifo Hashegutim.
Hashebutim.
Yeah.
Eifo Hashegutim.
If you spend
Is it
enough time here.
Butim? Butim.
Hashebutim.
Butim.
Right?
Yeah. The T.
Efo.
Efo. Eifo.
Okay.
Efo. Hashebutim.
Exactly.
Eifo Hashegutim.
Okay, how do you say I love you?
Well, it's gender dependent. This is the problem. It's not like English.
Let's say you're in love with somebody.
No, this is it's gender dependent.
Oh, gender dependent.
So for a woman.
Okay.
So a guy to a woman.
Okay.
Of
I
course.
love you to a woman. In Hebrew, it's
The only one
Ani,
Ani.
Ani.
Ohev,
Ohev.
Otach.
Otach.
Yeah.
Damn,
Ani
that's hard.
Ohev Otach.
Ani.
Yeah. This is if a male say that to a woman.
Okay, how would you say it like fast?
Ani Ohev Otach.
Ani Ohev Otach.
No.
Okay, say it slow
Now this
again.
is weird because you're a woman that says the male version.
Watch me only remember that one.
Yeah.
Okay, Ani Oche Otam. Okay, I need to remember this.
Who are you telling?
Everyone! Well,
Is that an appropriate I love you to use like for a friend, or is that a
They're being nice. To,
romantic?
They're being nice to you, and they
I
like.
don't know. I have a friend that I learned last year that occasionally saying that I love you in a female to male version. So it's for me it's weird that she's saying that because this is my own problem, but for her it's fine.
Interesting.
Everybody's so nice to you, and you have to tell them you love them
Yeah.
because they give you free dessert, free coffee,
I know exactly
free
where you're going.
he and they cross the street with you by the hand, and they take you to the store you need to go to, from the mall to the store. That's not what you tell them you love them, because they did something for you. Can you say that one more time? I think. Oh shit! Oh wow! I forgot.
Yeah, it's fine. Hebrew is a tough language anyway.
Okay. How is it again?
Again, gender dependent. So male to woman.
Male to woman.
Ani.
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 Ohev.
Ohev.
Otam.
Otach.
Otach.
Ani. Ohev. Otam. I will write this down.
Most important thing you've learned the entire trip.
I think so.
I'm gonna push you in.
I think we should take a picture of that.
Jump into the water.
Oh my gosh. What did you think was gonna happen?
I didn't go.
Is it cold?
No, it's not.
Be careful, don't put the swim.
I want to see if it's cold. It's a little chilly. Falling into the ocean, not clickbait.
Okay, let's do it one more.
send him to a bartender class.
What?
Good for him. Did his mom sign him up?
Yeah.
Nice.
And I got 300 shekels because of that, because I'm a bartender.
Armando's a bartender.
Yeah. Isn't that weird?
That's crazy. You guys are like a month apart in birthdays. That's so funny. But yeah, no, we googled the drinking age before we came here.
This is pretty much the first thing you check if you're going to
Another country.
So this place?
Yeah, it's right here.
Is it this one? Maybe it's.
What the type of restaurant she told you about?
She just said.
I don't know. We asked her if she had new good food, and then she said this one.
I don't know. Never eaten here.
Have you eaten in places around here?
Not a Muslim. Armando, come here.
Yeah?
You have to jump over them.
Jump.
So where's the restaurant?
No, I don't think this restaurant is called Tabor.
Lujo?
We could go find another place.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know if the place opens. It looks like.
Or we can go back to a place I said.
Okay.
Those trees.
Wait a moment. Matthew, we're literally near the police station.
Oh,
Yeah.
No jaywalking. Do you guys get fined for that?
I'm from a place similar to a kibbutz, so fuck it, I can walk pretty much wherever I want.
She's not worried.
Okay, but she's a local.
I'm a local. I can pretend I'm a local.
We've been here for 2 days. We're locals.
I'm trying to save you for paying a fine.
Yalla!
It's gorgeous. Time for crepes. We're asking Natalia how dating works here.
Yeah, you literally found the worst person in Israel to do that.
In all of Israel.
Yeah. I'm practically never had a girlfriend, and the only time I've somehow been in with a woman, I didn't realize she wanted me until I freaked out. Technically, it is considered an international area.
Armando asked about the border if he lived in Palestine.
But Palestinians are allowed to go into Israel. And there is areas that are definitely defined borders, and some places there aren't.
Don't step on that camera. No, please don't put the camera there. Okay, so
So it depends on where in Palestine.
Yeah, in Jerusalem there is no official border. You can cross in and out pretty much everywhere you want.
but is it very forbidden for Palestinians to Europe?
No, it's a bit more complicated than that. In some areas, like the north of the Shomron, there is a defined border with it looks like United States-Mexico border. You know it's their border. But aside of that, like it's really hard to understand the situation when you travel. It's not something that you can solve in like emergency flick. Just understanding how borders work in Israel and Palestine are headaches for our entire.
Wait, the yellow one. 1 minute.
תן להם לטעום קצת בקטנה.
دورنا حاجة بالبودة.
Thank you.
What does it taste like?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
It's very, very fake.
It's like one of those, like a gingerbread cookie crushed up.
Yeah.
Oh my god. How
Yeah.
do you say that perfectly? That's a perfect description of it.
That's okay.
You want that?
Can I try? I'm sorry. Can I try the green one too, please?
Yes?
Sorry.
What's that one?
Thank you.
Welcome. Interesting.
I like that one.
How do they make these flavors like that? That's crazy. I know what that is.
You got it?
No, I ate it too fast.
It's like a peanut butter something.
No.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, one more time. Can I try the?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Just one. Yeah. Oh, wait, are you sure?
Hey vlog, I'm back home editing, and I wanted to tell you what happened in that clip where Armando goes, "Are you sure?" And the guy goes, "Yeah." So we were sampling the ice creams, and the guy, instead of giving Armando a new spoon, reached out for Armando's old spoon, and Armando was like, "Are you sure?" And the guy was like, "Yeah." And then Sophie did that for us. Who knows how many others? Wait, I'm gonna need a cut.
We each get a corner.
No way.
We
Have each of the
the
grapes.
second one. Like
Yeah. We split this into 4.
Well, we split it in like 8.
Well, yeah.
It's like everything's happening
all you.
everywhere.
Still
Everything everywhere all at once.
a little bit. Yeah, because there's 4 of us and now there's 9 pieces.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Not even. It's part of my zodiac sign.
Oh my gosh. How did I break my fork?
Yeah.
Heavy duty crepe.
All right, I'm gonna cut this real quick.
I'm trying to get the nuts on it. God, this bite is good.
You're gonna have cholesterol after this.
Yeah.
Literally.
I think you're gonna get a heart attack because of that.
Oh, I agree. All right, we got this.
Hi vlog.
Hello vlog.